Hey guys, I'm Jaden from Bulldog. Today we're going to check out two new additions to our Carsystem range. C99 control foam and a body filler applicator cleaning box. The control foam is a water-based spray used to clean waxy and oily residues. It can also be used on glass and plastic, making it a very versatile product. The process of applying this control foam consists of spraying it onto a microfiber cloth, giving it a few seconds, and then cleaning your surface and removing any oily, greasy or waxy residues. That's it for the finishing C99 from Carsystem. Another little note is it's silicone free, meaning it's safe to use in a panel shop. Next up, the body filler applicator cleaning box. Inside the box is a cleaning solvent and a fleece. To use the box, here we have a used applicator with body filler on it. You'd insert your applicator through the top of the box and scrub it against the fleece inside to make sure you are cleaning the body filler off. As you can see, the applicator is now cleaned. That's it for the two new additions to our Carsystem range. If you want to find out more about these products, check the link in the description. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next. And I'm Jaden from Bulldog. Expect more.